Hey everybody, it is Vlogmas day. Y'all know the drill. Look in the title. But y'all, it is Monday. No, it's not even November. It is Monday, December 9th. And look at my eyes, y'all. I'm so tired. It is only 9:30. It is only 9:30 at night, but like I'm so tired. Mind you, I've been up since like 5:30 this morning because I have to go to work and stuff. But y'all, I'm so tired. I just wanted to get on camera and say that Vlogmas has been kicking my butt. Like, it got me tired. So, like, I mean, I did pre-film a few videos, as you guys can probably tell now, because nothing is in, like, chronological order. So, I did pre-film some videos, but this editing and stuff, like, every day, it's whooping my butt. I just finished uploading my video to go up for tomorrow for day 10. So, I just finished uploading that. So, I work 40 hours a week, Monday through Friday. I'm at church a minimum of 3 times a week. However, these past 2 Sundays in December, we have had 2 services, both Sundays. The rest of the Saturdays for this month, I know I'm booked for like hair and this editing every night. Y'all, I am tired. Like, the only reason I wanted to do Vlogmas mainly was because I wanted to challenge myself just to see if I could actually do it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep pushing, but I just want to get on here and let y'all know that I am tired. Your girl is, I got bags under my eyes right now. But yeah, my video is ready for tomorrow. Oh yeah, and on top of that, I've been taking my laptop to work with me. So on my lunch break, I spend my lunch breaks editing and preparing videos. So I've been working and sprinkling the gym a few times in there too. Your girl's tired. But yeah, I just really wanted to come on camera and let y'all know how tired I am. And it's only day 10. Well, it's the 9th today. So I still got 15 more days it is? Oh, Lord Jesus. Okay. I'm about to go to bed because I'm just rambling. And it's what I do when I get tired. Hey, you guys. Just checking back in. Today is Friday. I'm just now leaving work. So I got this coupon for $20 off a $50. I should have went. So I got this coupon for $20 off a $50 Victoria's Secret purchase. And last time I was in Victoria's Secret, they had this really pretty robe that I wanted. So I think I'm about to go over to Victoria's Secret and go get that robe, if they have it, because I seen the robe at a different Victoria's Secret than the one that I'm about to go to. So I told myself I'm gonna only go if it's street parking. If it's no street parking and I have to park in the garage, then I'm not gonna waste my time. Do y'all do that? That's how I like talk myself. Like, that's how I bargain with myself when I don't need to be spending money. Like, I try to bargain with myself. But I have until like the 18th to use it, and today is the 13th, so that's like 5 days. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. What the heck? I'm looking like somebody's grandma today because I washed my hair last night because I'm gonna go home and braid it this evening. And yeah, I didn't feel like trying to do everything at one time. So I washed it last night and I put it in like 4 plaits, and then I have like my little beret on my head, and this is exactly how I went to work, y'all.
it's been hella quiet at work anyways because it's the holiday. Plus today was Friday. Our office is always pretty quiet on Fridays. So yeah, I was looking raggedy at work today. But yeah, so after I leave Victoria's Secret, I need to go to the beauty supply because I need some more braiding hair. I checked at home, but I definitely don't have enough to do a full head. What are y'all doing? So I can already tell I should have just went straight to the beauty supply. Cause people out here acting a fool. I know it's holiday season, so I don't see no parks already. I really want that robe, but it looked like chaos already. And look, somebody got a Victoria's Secret bag in their hand right now. I wonder if I should go to my little secret parking spot. I hate the holidays. Like, I hate shopping during the holidays. It's so stressful. It just be too much going on. Ooh, but I think they come. Are they coming out? Look at me talking all that. Oh, I think sis coming out. Look at God. I was doing all that yapping and now I got me a part. Damn. Alright, y'all. I'm about to run into this thing real quick so I can get in and get out and go on about my business. Alright, y'all. So I am leaving Victoria's Secret. I don't know what kind of drugs they've been smoking, but they had the robe, but it was just, I don't know if it's because I went to a different location when I first saw the robe, or if the robe was on sale the last time I seen it. But they had the robe in there, but it was like $200. It was $199. I kid you not. And don't get me wrong, it was a beautiful robe. Like, it was like a velvety type of material, and it was long and floral. It was pretty, and I love me a nice robe, but not a $200 robe. I couldn't do it, so I left it right where it was at, and I walked on out of there. So yeah, now I'm on my way to the beauty supply store because yeah, I don't know what was going on with Victoria's Secret. That was ridiculous. As soon as I looked at the price, I was like, I kept thinking I was reading it wrong, but it definitely said $199. So even with my $20 off, it still would have been over $100. And I'm like, I'm just not paying over $100 for no robe. That was a fail.
All right, y'all. So I just had to get on camera. So I was attempting to do some feed-ins. I didn't want them too big. I just wanted a nice, like, little medium size, but I don't know if it's just because I'm tired, if it's because of these nails, but they don't look terrible. But I'm not liking the way they coming out. So originally, like, I wanted, like, goddess feet ends, so with the wavy ends and y'all. So I'm like, well, maybe I'm doing them. Focus. So I was like, maybe I'm doing them too big. And so y'all know I like small braids, and like, I don't know, small braids are just my thing. I work well with small braids. So I was like, maybe I should try making my braids smaller. So then I did this one here, the smaller braid, but it was still looking raggedy to me too, and now I'm just over it and annoyed again. I plan on doing some like individuals before the year is over, but I just didn't have the time to do them this weekend, so I was gonna wait. But I wanted something to kind of hold me over until Christmas, so that's why I was doing these feed-ins, but it's not working, y'all. I don't like it. Like, you know, head on, when you glance at it, it don't look bad, but like when I look, it's just not what I want. So yeah, I'm irritated, and I bought all this hair. I think I'm about to just say forget it and wake up in the morning and figure something else out. But I'm debating. I don't know. I don't like it. Alright. I have to go to bed. I'm irritated. I really don't want to put on a wig. I just want my scalp to breathe. I don't want to wear a bun. I've been wearing a bun for the past week. I don't want a bun. I don't want a ponytail. I just wanted my hair to be up in a protective braided style and just to be done. I don't want to have to comb my hair in the morning before work. I just want to get up and go. And this is not cutting it. Alright, y'all. So, it's like an hour later. And I ain't really made no progress. But, I don't know, y'all. I'm going to sleep on it. So, basically, I braided them like halfway back because I was noticing that most of the braid was messed up towards the back. Like my front would be okay, but then like the back would be messed up. So I did that, and then I'm gonna tie my hair down. My idea is that I'm gonna do some jumbo braids in the back to fill it out, and then just do the feet ends at the top. But I'm tired, honestly, so I decided I'm gonna sleep on it and see how I feel about it when I wake up in the morning. And yeah, if it's a go in the morning, then I'll finish it. If it's not a go, then these will be coming down. So yeah, like I said, they're not terrible. I'm just a perfectionist, and I just want them to be super neat, and they're not super neat like I want them. So whatever. But thank y'all for watching. If this hairstyle is a go, there'll be a separate video for a tutorial for it. I'm gonna get up in the, if I do decide to do it, I'm gonna get up in the morning and set up my filming stuff and actually film a tutorial on this side. But yeah, I'm just gonna sleep on it for now. So yeah, thank you all for watching. See you guys tomorrow.